Now, when we talk about mixtures, the main difference between mixtures and compounds is that compounds are chemically bonded together. Mixtures are just physically mixed together. So if they're physically mixed together, we can physically separate them. So we're just going to go over a couple basic physical separation techniques. The first one is filtration, and you can see the picture of that on the right. It's when the solid part is trapped by filter paper and the liquid part runs through the paper. You can look at it over there. It's just a liquid falling through it. Another way to think of this is a Brita water filter. If you filter your water, it's the same exact thing. You're taking some of the unwanted minerals out of the water. The next one is vaporization. That is where the liquid portion is evaporated off to leave the solid. That would be if we had salt water or sugar water. That salt or that sugar would be a solid in the water. Okay, so what we would do is we would boil off or evaporate the water, and it would be left with the solid sugar or salt. The next one is called distillation. Now, distillation is when you have two liquids that are mixed together. Okay, and those two liquids would have different boiling points. And so basically what you would do is you would raise the temperature until the first liquid's boiling point, and it would only boil off that liquid. Main way where you can think of this when you talk about distilling, usually anytime they distill alcohol or things like that, that is distillation. You're bringing up the temperature of both of the liquids to just the temperature of the alcohol, and so the alcohol is what boils off. Okay, some other ones, decanting. Decanting, you see the picture on the right over here. It's when the liquid is poured off and the solid is left to settle at the bottom. Decanting usually happens with a heterogeneous mixture. You can see them, and so what you want to do is you just want to trap the solid that you can see in the very bottom and pour off just the liquid. Okay, and then the last one we see there is a centrifuge. It's a machine that spins around very, very, very quickly, and it separates everything out according to their densities.